If you navigate to aistudio.google.com, you'll see this amazing tool that is in many ways better than the official Gemini website. So this is a tool that was created by Google mostly for developers, but again, it is mostly because anyone can enjoy this tool completely for free. You can just navigate to the URL and then log in with your Google account. Now here you can do plenty of things, like for example, you can change the model that you want to use. You can even use the Gemma model, which is not available in the official Gemini website. And you can even disable thinking mode on some models, so the answer is going to be a lot faster. And overall, this is an amazing playground for anyone that wants to test AI and test various customization. But for the longest time, AI Studio is essentially offline, so it is not connected to the internet. So when you're asking something, it's going to give you some answer from its training data, whereas Gemini website will actually give the latest information simply because it has access to the web. But now we can actually make AI Studio to conduct research on the internet, and then we'll give you the latest information, which is going to be more up to date and not hallucination. So here's how you can do that. But let me just do some tests first. Let's say I want to get latest AI news today and send a message. And you'll see that it's going to give you the answer from June 2024. So yeah, it's been more than a year ago. It's definitely not the latest AI news today. Now I'm going to do it again. This time around, I will enable two simple settings. So here on the chat section, you can open the settings right here. And then you can open the tool section and then enable grounding with Google search and also URL context. So again, I'm going to be using the same prompt. Send the message and just wait for the answer. It will take a bit more time simply because this model has to call some functions to browse internet, and after that should be able to give you the summary of the answer. And there you go. So this is the answer. And okay, I'm going to just read speed read basically the answer, and I can tell it is actually the latest information. Like now we have Grok 4 that is available for free for anyone following the debut of OpenAI's GPT-5. And yes, GPT-5 just released maybe a week ago. And there's also Google introduced Gemma 3 with 270 million parameter. It was released 2 days ago, I believe. So yeah, overall, this is actually very, very recent news. So just enable grounding with Google search and URL context, and then you can get answer that is up to date from Google AI Studio. And again, because of the customization, you might be able to get a slightly more accurate and faster answer than compared if you're using the official Gemini website. And not to mention, there are some premium features that are available right here. So that's how you can use AI Studio as a tool to do a research very quickly and completely free. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on my next video.